Hello guys, good evening. I will share to you my simple cooking of Hofan noodles like this. So today bumili ako sa market. So this is my just own recipe. Usually, people cook Hofan, they use a freeze beef meat slice. But I use minced beef kasi may leftover sa fridge. So, yun na lang ang nilagay ko para hindi masayang. So, what I did is, my ingredients is Hofan. I fried 2 eggs, then I shred it, and then I set aside. Then I slice 1 onion, half of onion, yung puti, yung brown yung balat niya, yung ganito, yung brown yung balat niya, kalahati. Tapos pinainit ko yung mantika, ginisa ko yung sliced ginger, tapos nilagay ko yung sliced onion. I mix it till maluto yung onion. Then, nilagay ko yung bean sprout. Binili ko sa market din. Tapos, niluto ko ng half cook yun. Nung naluto na, tinanggal ko sa kawali at sinit aside. Then, nilagay ko yung, hindi na ako nag-add ng mantika kasi yung Hofan is a bit oily. So, nilagay ko yung Hofan. In-stir fry ko siya hanggang sa maghiwa-hiwalay. Then, nilagay ko yung minced beef. Then, I mix together. Yung naghalo na siya, nilagay ko na yung vegetable ginisa ko. Yung bean sprout at saka yung onion. And then, ganito na siya guys. Yan. Nung naghalo na lahat, nilagay ko na yung shredded fry egg. And then, nilagyan ko ng sliced spring onion. So, this is just my own idea. Because this is just ordinary. This is not a special Hofan. Okay? So, this is cannot compared into a restaurant. Restaurant is very, very nice. So, I hope you can have an idea about this. So, this is just very simple. But if you cook this, if you try this, this is yummy. Sorry kayo guys, malayo kayo, hindi ko kayo mabigyan. Kaya ako na lang ang titikim para sa inyo. This is nice. It's yummy. So, thank you for watching my Hofan. Nagsuot ako ng gloves guys ha. Pero masyadong ano pa siya, hindi pa malamig, mainit pa siya ng konti. Maganda kasi pag kamay ang ipaghalo magkahiwa-hiwalay lahat. Kaya na guys, luto na ang aking Hofan. Thank you for watching.